Actually, you don't need to have any special skills, but only think that you need to have it. You love art. You love to design.
Our first year of the study for interior architecture program, we separate into many studio. We call this as vertical studio. This vertical studio, we will separate the project depending on our lecturers. Our students will have a more chance to select what they really like to have an expert with. On the 5th year, that will be like the year. For the whole year, they will like spend for 2 semesters for the thesis. For the whole 5 year, we have a more subjects which is specific on many kinds of like art field. Another strength for our program is to encourage and enhance the student to have the more experience on making a good research. This is a kind of a great chance for the student to have a real experience on the real world.
Yeah, for interior architectures, we also focus on the safety and human occupancy too. That is the point of it. We also have a workshop in our school too that we create to integrate a different program together. Our interior architectures welcome people who don't have hard skills or soft skill about interior, and we just set a foundations to everyone. If you have a passion in interior designs and space, SoA+D is the good place that you are looking for.